Hi students, this is the director's office. Thought I might do a bit of show and tell. First thing, I was awarded the Mentor for 2019 for student teachers. The black ball. Sometimes students get to roll the black ball in trying to give me an answer. Did you misbehave in class? Yes. Do I have students that are still writing like a vanilla ice cream in legal studies? For sure. Shoe polish for students that come in with the shoes not polished. The cross, given to me by the Lasallian brothers. The gavel, when I am the judge and executioner. Easter, another gift. Dance studio, for my TikToks. The Bible from Mr. Dempsey.